Hi there, students. Cohort. A cohort, a noun. Okay, nowadays we mostly use the word cohort to talk about a group of people who share a characteristic, usually age. So the cohort of people between 50 and 60 have been given the AstraZeneca vaccine. Okay, a cohort, a group of people in a statistical study, in a survey. It's a set that have been grouped together, a demographic grouping, particularly defined by age, but it could be another common characteristic. In the 18 to 25 cohort, there tend to be a large number of car accidents. Okay, so a cohort, a statistical group of people. The cohort that work in the legal profession normally earn more money. So if you were doing some sort of demographic survey or some sort of statistical survey, then each of your groups could be called a cohort. Now, we can also use the word a cohort to talk about a group of people who support somebody, normally their leader. So, I don't know, the Manchester United cohort, the group of fans that support Manchester United, the Liverpool cohort, the group of fans that support Liverpool. The Prime Minister and his cohort, or his cohorts, have implemented a new policy. Okay, so it's this group of people together, a group or a band of people or associates. Let's see. A cohort can also talk about your accomplices, your associates. So the gangland boss and his cohorts committed this robbery. I might want to use the word cronies there. The mafia leader, the mafia boss and his cronies and his cohorts. He got 3 of his cohorts to break into the shop. So people who work for you, your group, your accomplices, your associates, the group of individuals who support you, your companions or your colleagues. Okay, so cohort, a group of supporters, a demographic group of people, your colleagues, your companions. And then let's look at the origin of this. Well, originally a cohort is a group of soldiers. It's a group of Roman soldiers, normally about 500 men. So 3 cohorts of soldiers were posted to guard this area. So originally a cohort, and it still is a division of a Roman legion. Maybe 500 men, and therefore you get these this meaning of a band of people. So a natural group of people in demographics, an accomplice, an associate, somebody that works for you or does your dirty deeds for you, a group of supporters who support the same thing. Yeah, you can also use cohorts just to mean large numbers of people. Cohorts of people were at the beach on Saturday. It was sunny and warm, and cohorts of people turned out. Large groups of people. And that's the idea. Um, let's see. Originally, from Latin, cohors, yeah, which is a military group, yeah, your military cohort, which actually comes from the court or a farmyard or an enclosure or a retinue or an escort, a bodyguard, a crew, and then your military unit. Okay, so it comes from Latin. Cohort, how formal is this? I think I would give it a 5.5 in formality. I think you could use it just about anywhere. It's got this slightly posh, slightly classical, educated feel to it, but use the word cohort absolutely anywhere. Huge numbers, masses, large crowds of. Okay, so cohort. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Cohorts.